Hello students, welcome to our YouTube channel that is गवर्नमेंट जॉब स्टडी। तो आप सभी लोगों का गवर्नमेंट जॉब स्टडी में स्वागत है। तो वी विल स्टार्टिंग a 15 to 20 lecture series on world history in which we will be dealing with the world history related to all government exam, either it is of UPSC, it's of SSC and other state exam. Okay, in world history we are first starting with the American Revolution. Okay, so in the American Revolution we are going to study firstly the causes, secondly its nature, and third the America Civil War. Okay, so first of all the American Revolution 1776 to 1783 and the American Civil War from 1861 to 1865. Okay, so in nature we are also going to study its strength and its weaknesses. Okay, so first of all have the historical background of America. So this is the North America and this is South America. Okay, so this is the present Canadian part and the western part of America is being colonized by French, and the eastern part of America is being colonized by British, and in the centers here the Native Americans are living. Okay, and here is Europe. So Britishers had started from 1650 to 1750. They start coming in America. Started coming in America. Their first intention is to have trade, and second to settle in America. So these are the two conditions which initially brought Britishers to move into the America. So after sometimes after in the 1680s to till 1750s they follow a policy of banning neglect policy. In this policy they tell that we are not here to exploit America. Okay, they are not here for exploitation, they are here for only trading and revenue generation. Second thing, they will not develop any industry or any development process in America. Okay. Plus, they also told about the autonomous local elected government. So, in benign neglect policy, they tell that they will not exploit or neither develop America. Plus, there will be local elected government. Local elected government has their own taxation, has their own budget, and has their own revenue generation. So this is the reason why Indians also demanded local government. As if you are giving the government to the colonies, you must give local elected government to us also. Okay. Now coming about the political causes. What are the political causes which initiated the American Revolution? So the first cause is imperial rivalry between French and Britishers. Okay. Second political cause is taxation increased by the Britishers. Okay. So these two are the main political causes which happen, which lays the foundation of American Revolution. Okay. Now coming about to the imperial rivalry. Imperial rivalry between French and Britishers.